What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So right now in this video I'm going to be explaining how you can easily buy Solana meme coins or other meme coins on the Bit exchange. Okay, so I actually talked about the Bit exchange about a few days back, and I also explained how you can actually earn up to 13 USDT by actually using this particular crypto exchange to actually trade and do other things. Okay, and I also explain other free benefits you can actually earn by using the Bit exchange. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link to that video in the description section below. You can check it out and actually sign up on this new crypto exchange so that you can actually explore the benefits and opportunities it has. Okay, and today we'll be talking about one of the things you can easily do with the Bit exchange, which is purchasing meme coins. Okay, now guys, usually if you want to actually trade Solana meme coins, you have to do that on the Phantom wallet. Okay, but then on the Bit exchange you can do everything without needing to actually purchase Solana and then transferring it to your Phantom wallet, which will actually procure some network fees. Okay, now for you to do that right here, all you need to do is to click on the Go Rich button right here. Okay, so on the Go Rich right here is where you can basically purchase meme coins from Solana and other blockchains. All right, but then I would like you to watch this video from beginning to the end so that I can basically get the full basic details on how to do this. All right, now without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right now. Now the first thing you need to do is actually get a verified Bit exchange account. Okay, and you can easily do that by clicking the registration link in the description section of this video. Once you click on it, you sign up on the Bit exchange and you also download it into your device, and afterwards you make sure you complete your KYC. All right, make sure you're verified this way. Okay, so once you're verified, you actually deposit USDT into your Bit exchange. You can deposit from as low as 10 USDT or even 5 USDT right here into your Bit exchange wallet. Okay, now once you finish depositing, you come right here to the Go Rich. So right here you can see my Go Rich account. I have 0 USDT. Okay, now I'm going to click on the transfer button right here and I'm going to transfer USDT from my unified trading account to my Go Rich account. Okay, so let's say I want to transfer about 30 USDT to my Go Rich account. So here we go, it says transfer completed, and if I come back here, I'm just going to refresh this way, and here we have 30 USDT in our Go Rich account. Okay, now guys, meme coins are very volatile and sometimes unpredictable, and despite the fact that you can actually make a lot of money, at the same time you can actually lose a lot of money trading meme coins. Okay, so before you actually purchase a meme coin, you need to actually make a lot of research, and you also need to actually buy it at its early stage, because that is when you'll be able to make good amount of profit if you purchase at a early stage. Okay, and there are actually tools that you can use to actually make your research before you actually purchase a meme coin. We have the Dex Screener, we have the Coin Gecko, and we also have the Coin Market Cap, among others. Okay, but in this video I'm going to be using the Coin Market Cap to actually get the contract address of the meme coin token that I'm going to be buying. Okay, now to do that, I'll head over to my Coin Market Cap, and right here on my Coin Market Cap, I'll be looking for a trending meme coin that just got listed. Okay, and to do that, I'll click on the trending button right here. So right here, I'm going to click on the on chain. Okay, so here I'm going to actually filter this to 5 minutes, and also at this filter button, we're going to click on this. So where you have all chains, I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to select Solana. Okay, because I want to purchase a Solana meme coin. Then right here where we have the age, I'm going to select less than 6 hours. So right here where we have market cap, we're going to be filtering this to 250 market cap and above. And right here in liquidity, we'll leave this at 1000 liquidity and above. Okay, because we're looking for a very new token that just got listed, and let's apply this. Okay, so right here we have about 4 options. These coins just got listed recently, and you can see this particular one has about 2.3 million market cap. Then we have this, which is Tom, which has about 554,000 market cap. So let's say we're buying the Tom right here. We'll click on it this way. So right here we're going to copy the contract address. So you can see we've copied the contract address. We're going to come back here to our Bit exchange, and I'm going to actually paste that contract address I just copied, and you can see it just brought me directly to the trade section right here. So like I said, you'll be using USDT to purchase this easily. So let's say I want to purchase the Tom token. I want to purchase about 10 USDT of it. All I need to do is to actually click on the buy Tom right here. and it's going to actually purchase this meme coin for me. And you can see it says traded 10 USDT for about 14,232 ton. Okay, so I've purchased this token right now and I'm seeing the value right here. So this, I bought it for 10 USDT and you can see the value is about 10.22 USDT. Okay, now another thing you need to note about meme coin is that whenever you are trading them, you need to be very fast in selling, because you are not looking to invest, you are trading right here. And like I said, they are very volatile, meaning it can actually dip at any time. And because of the filter options I use right here on the coin market cap, we're able to get good, meme coins that have already been checked by the coin market cap team. Okay, so you can see right now the values are around 10.8. So I feel I can actually sell right now. Wow, we are up at 11.46 USDT profit. So let's say I want to sell. I'm going to actually click on 100% because I want to sell everything, and this is how much I'll be receiving. So I could actually leave this to make more profit, but then if you're trading meme coins, you kind of try and make at least 10% profit depending on your capital. So this particular token is really doing well right now. I could actually leave this to see how far it could go. It could get to 1 million market cap and I could actually make a lot of profit. Okay, so this is basically how you can purchase meme coins right here on your Bit exchange. Very simple and easy. So that's basically it for now, guys. I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And also note that this is not a financial advice. Okay, before you actually purchase a meme coin, make sure you've had enough trading experience and make sure you understand what it basically means to do that. Okay, and if you're going to be purchasing a meme coin, only do so with something you can afford to risk or lose. Okay, so that'll be all for now. I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.